Thando's uncles meet Siyacela and they were willing and ready to beat him up on the first episode of Sencane Lengane season 7. So let us talk about that and more here on this video. But first, I need to request you guys to like this video, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel to watch my previous videos, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. You guys probably know by now that Sencane Lengane is back with its 7th season, and someone said South Africa is toxic because all the toxic shows are on their 7th and 8th episodes now, and I didn't even have to think deep to realize that they were talking about Thando Nesthembu and Sencane Lengane, but that's a story for another day. On this video, ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to share with you what took place on the first episode of Sencane Lengane season 7. So, Siyacela met with Thando's uncles. Apparently, the uncles were offended by what Siyacela said about Thando, which is the same thing that Thando's mother was so upset about on the last episode of season 6. And you guys will remember that Thando's mom lost her temper, and so everyone was at that event. So, those uncles came to talk about that with Siyacela, and for the first time ever since I started watching this show, Siyacela was so quiet. He did not say a word up until the show came to an end, and I don't blame him, honestly speaking. Those guys came to that meeting to fight. Whereas there was this one, he had big arms and big chest. You could tell that this one started from a gym before going there. He was so ready to fight. Even Thando did mention that Siyacela did a good job by keeping quiet and not saying anything there because they were going to beat the shit out of him. But unfortunately for everyone who was watching and hoping that Siyacela could get a beating, nothing happened. So on episode 2, we are told that Siyacela will be fighting with Thando's father now. Apparently, they are going to meet again to discuss some issues, but Siyacela being Siyacela will insult Thando's father, which will lead to them fighting. So, to find out more on this, we're going to have to watch episode 2 of Sencane Lengane. And all of that being said, do comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. Thank you so much for watching this one. Let's engage again on the next one.